Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the physical and system basics so you don't chase phantom faults. Check cables and ports, swap USB versus 3.5 if available, and confirm speakers or headset power. Open the Windows sound settings and make the device you want the default playback device. Once done, open the volume mixer and raise app-specific sliders. Make sure mute is off both on the device and in software. This stops obvious causes and prepares you to dig into drivers and settings next. Now you tackle software layers that often break audio. Open Device Manager, update, roll back, or reinstall the audio driver. Prefer the OEM driver over a generic one. Once updated, open the device properties and disable audio enhancements because they can introduce distortion. Next, adjust the default format to 44.1 or 48 kHz and test. Some hardware dislikes higher sample rates. If spatial sound or exclusive mode is on, toggle them off to see if stability improves, and run quick playback tests after each change. Finish by confirming system services and isolating the fault. Restart the Windows Audio service and reboot the PC after driver or setting updates to apply changes fully. If issues persist, test the headset or speakers on another device to isolate hardware. Boot into safe mode to check for conflicting software or codecs. If you still have problems, run the built-in Windows Troubleshooter. It can fix permissions, registry entries, or driver mismatches automatically. If that fails, note error behavior and seek specific device support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.